This is just a gentle reminder that pasta fixes most problems. First things first. Okay, just when I was about to start filming, my #1 fan came over for a little hug and a kiss. I couldn't resist. All right, so what we're starting off with is about 200 grams of speck. Now think prosciutto, but smoked. So this pasta dish is going to have a nice smoky depth of flavor that goes well with the cream sauce that we're making. Slice the speck into strips, and someone came back for a little snack. She ended up really liking this dish at the end. Once done, set aside. Next up is fresh chives, about 15 grams worth, and you're gonna slice super fine. One little trick is to dampen a piece of paper towel and fold it twice or into thirds. Use it to roll your chives about 1 inch away from where you're going to cut. This is going to keep everything even and give you nice control while you slice. I think I did all right, but not good enough to send in to rate my chives yet. Once done, set aside. Time for our cream sauce. Pour about 500 mils of heavy cream into a sauce pot. Then smash 1 or 2 cloves of garlic and add it to the cream. And then add about 60 grams of unsalted butter, season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and then some nutmeg to taste. And then the secret, Parmigiano-Reggiano rinds. 1 or 2 rinds will do to help deepen the flavor and give us a luxurious sauce. Let that simmer on low to medium heat for about 30 minutes or until the rinds start to soften and break down. Stir often so that the rinds don't settle at the bottom of the pan and stick. While the sauce is going, we can fry up our speck in a pan on low to medium heat with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Keep moving the speck around as it starts to render out its fat and get crispy. You can remove to a plate and you will be left with some fond in the bottom of the pan along with the rendered speck fat. You can remove some of it if you like. Once the cream sauce is done, turn off the heat or remove the saucepan from the heat, and finally grate as much Parmigiano-Reggiano and Grana Padano as you like. The Grana Padano will help add creaminess and sweetness to the sauce, so a blend of the two is nice, but you can go with just one if you like. Mix in the grated cheese until it's all melted in the sauce. Taste and adjust any seasonings if need be, and then strain your cream sauce into a bowl and then add that to your pasta pan with the rendered speck fat. Keep the heat on a low simmer as we cook the pasta. Salt a large pot of boiling water, add your pasta, and cook just before al dente as we will finish cooking it in the sauce. Once done, add your pasta to the pan along with a ladle of pasta water. Add half of the speck, save the rest for garnish. Do the same with the chives, and now it's time for la mantecatura, mixing and tossing, marrying the pasta to the sauce, adding more pasta water if needed. Then plate it up, garnish with more grated cheese, some speck, chives, and bring it to the table. Of course it's delicious, and it's kind of light if your definition of light is cream and cheese. You get the smokiness from the speck, which just adds that extra depth of flavor. Of course the chives, that Parmigiano-Reggiano cream sauce. Oh, I hope you give this one a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.